My name is Glenn Berry, and welcome to my course, Azure SQL Database, Diagnosing Configuration Performance Issues with DMVs. I'm a principal consultant with SQL skills, and this topic is one that I feel very excited about. In the course of my career as a database administrator and consultant, I've used my DMV diagnostic queries on a nearly daily basis to find and correct many common Azure SQL Database configuration and performance issues. The queries that are detailed and demonstrated in this course will help you detect and correct many common issues with both your Azure SQL Database server and your databases. I want to show you how to properly understand how to interpret these queries and then how to use those results to help get a better performing Azure SQL Database environment. If you work with Azure SQL Database or SQL Server in any capacity, whatever your level, this course is relevant to you. Experience using SQL Server 2005 or newer is helpful, along with a basic understanding of how Azure SQL Database works. I hope you'll join me as we explore proper configuration and performance with Azure SQL Database, diagnosing configuration and performance issues with DMVs here on Pluralsight.